Hi friends! I'm here to teach you about how to make your valentines, but in order to do that, you need to know some keyboard shortcuts to help you copy and paste the pictures and words into your valentines. So how do we use a keyboard shortcut? The first thing you need to know is that you are going to click a box of something that you want or select the words that you want. But in this case, we're just going to be using images, so you just have to click the picture that you want. Then you are going to push the control button, which is this one with the star. Yours doesn't have one, but it's on the left-hand side of your keyboard at the very end, CTRL. You're going to hold down that button, control, and then you are going to click C for copy. So when you click your picture and you hold down the control and the C at the same time, then you are going to get a copy of it, and it's not going to do anything yet. So it's going to remember that you want to save that picture. Then you're going to go to the slide that you want, and you're going to click Control again, but this time instead of clicking C, you're going to click V. Control V, and that's what's going to paste it onto your Valentine. So let me practice and show you what I am talking about. All right, so if I want to make a Valentine for Miss Lichtman, I'm going to write Miss Lichtman is who it's to, and you know you have to stretch out the text box to make sure everything fits. And then it's from me, so I'm going to write my name, Mrs. Baldwin. Stretch that text box out so that it's there. Then when I come down here, I have a choice of all different things. I have just regular Happy Valentine's Day. There's food, Harry Potter, sports, dogs, cats, Minecraft, Among Us, all different choices of pictures and things that I can use to create a Valentine for Miss Lichtman. And you guys, I'm going to start by just saying Happy Valentine's Day at the top. So what I'm going to do is I am going to click the Valentine's Day, and you know that you've selected it because it has the blue box around it. Then I'm going to hold down my control button and press the letter C. It didn't do anything, but the computer now knows I need to remember that. I'm going to go back to my Valentine for Miss Lichtman, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to push Control V. And then it pops in, and I just have to move it with my cursor to put it where I need it to go. Now I want to add some pictures. So I'm going to go down, let's see. Oh, Disney princesses, you know that's my jam. All right, so I'm going to click Belle. And again, once I have her selected, she's got a blue box around her. I'm going to push Control C. And then I'm going to go back up to my Valentine for Miss Lichtman, and I'm going to push Control V. And there's my bell. Now I just want to add, maybe I want to add a little decoration, maybe some hearts. So I might put, I think I like that heart. So I'm going to click it. It's got the blue box around it. Control C. My computer's remembering that it needs to save it. I go back up to my Valentine and hit Control V. And I've added some hearts. And then maybe I want to add some words. Let me go back to that page. Oh, I like this one. It says, I hope your Valentine's Day sparkles. So I'm going to click Control C. I've selected it. I'm copying it. Then I'm going to go back to her Valentine, and I'm going to click Control V. And that pastes in the words. So now my Valentine for Miss Lichtman is ready to give to her on Valentine's Day. So you can choose anything you want. You can do Minecraft, you can do whatever you want. I want you to do at least 5, but make sure that you are copying and pasting. That's a skill that you're going to need for the future. So that's why we're practicing it with our Valentine's Day cards.